Hey there! Ever wondered how we can harness the power of the sun? Let's dive into the fascinating world of solar energy. Did you know that the Earth receives a mind-blowing 173,000 terawatts of solar power? That's 10,000 times more than our global energy consumption. Imagine the potential. So, how do solar panels work? It all starts with solar cells, which are made from silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth. These cells are divided into N-type and P-type silicon, creating an electric field at their junction. N-type has extra electrons, while P-type has holes or spaces for electrons. When sunlight made up of photons hits these cells, it dislodges electrons from the silicon atoms. The freed electrons are drawn to the N side, creating a flow of electricity. This current can then be used to power your devices. Each solar cell produces about half a volt. By connecting them into modules, we can increase the voltage to power entire homes. Plus, with no moving parts, solar panels can last for decades. However, switching entirely to solar power comes with challenges. Sunlight isn't evenly distributed. It varies by geography and the time of day. We need efficient ways to store and transmit this energy. Current solar panels are 15 to 20% efficient, with lab-produced cells reaching up to 46%. We also need a lot of space to install these panels. The Sahara Desert, with over 3 million square miles, could be an ideal spot. Economic and political factors also play a role. Existing energy industries may resist the shift to solar, but there's good news. Solar energy is becoming more cost-effective, cheaper than kerosene in some regions. It's also a great solution for the billion people without reliable electricity access. Innovations like floating solar farms show promise for the future. The sun's power is immense, and harnessing it could change the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.